Ducks are a familiar sight on Japanese rivers and lakes come winter. The term duck is used to describe a wide variety of species. In terms of taxonomy, the duck family includes large water birds like geese and swans. However, the term duck commonly refers to water birds in the Anas and Aythya genera. A well-known member of the Aythya genus is the tufted duck with its black head and crest. The tufted duck can often be seen diving to catch the submerged plants and fish it feeds on. Many ducks belonging to the Aythya genus dive. These and ducks of other genera that dive are generally referred to as diving ducks. On the other hand, ducks of the Anas genus almost never dive. Instead, they feed on floating vegetation and other plants and fruits that have fallen in and around the rice paddies and waterways they inhabit. Feeding at night between sunset and sunrise, they spend a good portion of the daytime sleeping. These ducks are referred to as freshwater ducks, as they generally inhabit rivers, lakes, ponds, and wetlands. Freshwater ducks represent a large group, including the mallard and green-winged teal. The Eurasian wigeon is a standout member of this group with its conspicuous brown head. While the Eurasian wigeon is a freshwater duck, it behaves quite differently to the likes of the mallard and green-winged teal. For example, it generally searches for food on land at nighttime. However, this is not limited to night, as it also leaves the water to search for food by day. Now and again, it can be seen dunking its head in the water as if to do a handstand. The Eurasian wigeon sticks its upper body in the water in search of food, like the Eurasian coot and other bird species that feed on submerged vegetation. The Eurasian wigeon's body differs slightly to other freshwater ducks. The legs of most freshwater ducks that don't dive are centrally located on the abdomen. In the case of the Eurasian wigeon, however, they are found slightly to the rear. This closely resembles diving ducks of the Aythya genus. The Eurasian wigeon's physique and behavior clearly display a mix of features from both freshwater ducks and diving ducks. This could be dismissed as nothing more than a curiosity if it weren't for the fact that the Eurasian wigeon actually becomes completely submerged on occasion. Even more bizarre is the high rate at which rain and snow seem to fall on the following day. While this may sound like folklore, migratory birds like the duck are generally regarded as possessing various sensors, and in particular, finely tuned air pressure sensors that hold the key to a successful migration. The diving behavior of the Eurasian wigeon and its apparent weather forecasting ability are areas requiring further research. Is it reacting to changes in air pressure? And if so, how does this work? many questions still remain to be answered. It shouldn't be such a surprise to discover that a diving freshwater duck like the Eurasian wigeon has some sort of special sensor with which it measures the natural world. Humans do not have such refined sensors with which to measure the natural world. However, humankind possesses the power of analysis, one that goes beyond our natural limitations. The protection of this diverse and beautiful Earth through the analysis of nature is a mission that has been entrusted to humankind.